Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, unable to execute file CreateProcess failed code 2. The system cannot find the file specified. First method is type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Boot IB, check Safe Boot, click Apply, click OK. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Windows Defender Firewall. Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings, click Allow another app. Find problematic app location. Check both private and public. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.